Hello everybody, my name is Luis and let's talk about my new plugin, my new open source plugin, CommandLoader for Revit. So let's go. First of all, here's the plugin in the add-in tab. I can press F1 in here and gonna open the GitHub. All the GitHub is everything is open source, all the information is in here, but in this video let's talk about everything. Every feature and every limitation and how you can download and use it as well. So what is this plugin for? Basically, it has a text, so I can compile this code, this external command, and gonna appear in my Revit. So can click in here and gonna execute that code. Really easy. So that's the idea. This is a simple button, just show the version of my Revit and so on, but have all the features in here. So let's talk about the first one. I can select the text gonna appear in my button, the description, the icon as well, and the availability of the command as well. So first, in the display name, these are attributes related to the system component model, and I can set the name something like Revit. Let's change for something like this video, something like that. Gonna compile again and gonna appear in there. So yeah, really cool. I can set some description like I don't know, yes, something like that. Yeah, and gonna appear in that as well. By default, if I remove all these attributes, gonna appear the name of the class, in this case is command, and the description on the tooltip gonna appear empty, so like that. Can change the command to, so gonna appear the command to as well. And the attribute design is used to put icon in the command, in the button, the push button. I can change it for something like the close, I guess that exists in Revit. So, or open, gonna appear open a folder like that. It's the same as this one, or the save, yeah, it's gonna appear as well in there. Yeah, pretty cool, right? And the availability as well, if I put in here like false, gonna update as well in there. So pretty cool. Other thing that is work, I can, if I don't have any icon, it's gonna appear a simple icon like a ladder and a circle in around the ladder, just simple like that. And I can compile multiple commands at the same time like this. Just have two different class, of course, and gonna appear two commands in there. So I can put this like true, like this, and gonna appear like that. So basically all the features in this compiler. This is the command loader, of course. If something goes wrong in here, like if I change something like this, true, gonna appear a big no. So I still need to figure out how to show message like error or something. Yeah, I still work on in that, but yeah, in the basically everything works like intended. And that's it. And I can like this can let's find a git in here like this one. I can copy this and put in here and compile, and I have a simple command to delete all the walls in my document. So let's create some wall, and yeah, gonna delete all the walls. Basically that's the idea. So I can share code, simple command codes in a simple way, and the user can test inside Revit without open Visual Studio and a macro or something like that. That's the idea. Yeah, pretty cool. And let's go in the GitHub so I can show the other features and how you can download and can use that. Basically, gonna work in Revit 17 and beyond. I'm using the CodeDom.Compiler to compile the code, so has some limitations. Let's talk about that as well. Can compile multiple commands, external commands, and gonna create a push button for each external command, and can work with availability as well. And this plugin has auto updater, so every time you open Revit, and if you have installed in your computer, of course, gonna try to download the new version and gonna find the new version in this GitHub. So at the moment I have the version 1.0.4, and in the future, if I update that, I'm gonna automatically download the new version and gonna update for free. Yeah, really cool. Yeah. The limitation is because for the compiler, I'm gonna work only with C# 4. That means async features does not work, and string interpolation as well does not work because it's C# 5 and 6. That's sad, but gonna work fine for simple commands. And here all the customization that I already talked about. One thing I forgot to mention is in the design attributes, I can select the component as well, like this one, or a URL with a image or icon, and the base64 string as well gonna work fine in this feature. Yeah, basically that's it. Some resource I use in this plugin, my Y library, my MVV library, and the GitHub library as well. And then use the Revit async library designed by the Ken and Shen, I guess. Yeah, that's it. It's pretty cool, it's pretty useful. And you can download and install clicking here. I'm gonna download the last version and you can install on your computer. You're gonna use really fine. And if you want to learn more how I create this plugin, having here a video in Portuguese, a live stream that I did this plugin. And basically that's it. If you like this project, don't forget to give a like in the GitHub. So it's gonna be really cool. And don't forget to give a thumbs up in this video. And if you want to learn more about Revit and developing in Revit API, don't forget to give a subscribe. And see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.